Hello students, welcome back to Career Forum YouTube channel. Students, in today's video we are going to solve parajumble questions which we are going to discuss with a secret trick that I have mentioned you in part 1 of parajumble series. Okay, so now we are going to start with the question, and here we have the direction along with the question. So the direction says the question consists of 5 sentence statements or sentences labeled A, B, C, D and E, which when logically ordered they form a coherent paragraph. Clear? So student, as I have mentioned you in the last videos, that important is to read the paragraph slowly to understand or to comprehend the idea given in the paragraph. Okay, so let's first read the sentences, and let us first read the sentences, and then we will first try to detect the theme or the idea of the paragraph. Okay, so important is here to first read it slowly. Okay, so first read it slowly and try to identify the theme of the paragraph, or you can see the idea of the paragraph. Okay, so important is to first read it slowly and then to look for theme or idea. Okay, so here in the given paragraph or the passage, the paragraph talks about Golden Kela Award. So here in the first sentence we have this pronoun it, which definitely mention a noun, and we don't have any idea about this it here. So this can't be our first sentence. B sentence is talking about the third Golden Kela Awards will be hosted by. So this is talking about Golden Kela Award. Okay, fine. Let us see, because here in sentence C also we have it, which definitely means it is also referring to some thing or some noun, and here also we don't have any idea, so this can't be the first sentence also. But in D sentence, as you see, the sentence talk about the Golden Kela is held each year. This here it has to be award, I think it is missing. Okay, so the Golden Kela Award is held each year, where awards are given for the year's worst in Bollywood. Means this award is typically given for the year's worst performance in the Bollywood. Okay, so Golden Kela Award. So this is the introduction. Okay, so now important is to look for idea, which is already given in the sentence D. As you see in sentence D, it is already there that the sentence talk about the Golden Kela Award, and this is the general introduction. Now if we look for its extension, now try to look for its extension. Here we have got the idea that the idea is Golden Kela Award. Now important is to look for its extension. Okay, so now if you see, the sentence A says in simpler terms it. Now we know about it. So this pronoun is basically for the Golden Kela Award. Okay, so in simpler terms, this sentence A, this word is your clue. This word is giving you the elaboration of this particular idea. So in simpler terms, it is the Indian version of the Rajiv. Okay, so the Golden Kela Award is basically the Indian version of Rajiv. So the two mandatory options are D and A. Okay, am I clear? Okay, now sentence E. Now look at the sentence E. It was created by Random Magazine, India's longest running humor magazine, in the year 2009. Okay, so basically if we talk about the extension, important is to look for some clue ideas which ultimately related with the previous sentence. Okay, so here we have the elaboration of this Golden Kela Award. Okay, now the sentence is talking about it was created by. Who has created it, or by whom it was created? By Random Magazine. Okay, so basically here the sentence says that it was created by Random Magazine. Okay, India's longest running humor magazine. So after D, A, it should be E. Okay, now if you look at the sentences carefully, the C talks about. Now important is to look for another sentence which give you the clue. Okay, now look for C. It was created. Here we have talked about what? Creation. It was created by Random Magazine. Now, what was the purpose of that particular magazine? Why it was means Golden Kela Award? What was the reason? What was the purpose behind it? So the purpose was here. Is here. Okay? It was created in order to ridicule the bad performance and as a revenge for wasting our precious time and money on such idiotic films. So the C sentence talks about the purpose behind the Golden Kela Award, behind the creation of this Golden Kela Award. Okay, so now we have the sequence D, A, E and C. Fine. And finally, we have the last sentence, that is B, that this year the third Golden Kela Award will be hosted by Cyrus Brocha. And this is the sequence. Am I clear? Okay. So the sequence, the correct sequence is D, A, E, C, B. Okay. So logically, when we arrange this paragraph, the sequence should be D, A, E, C, B. Fine? Okay. Now let's look at the second question. So now first important is to read the sentences carefully and then try to look for the idea given in the paragraph. Okay. So see, you all need to look for the clue words to identify the main idea. And here the clues are, like if we look at the sentences, the first sentence says that despite the strong performance of the economy in 2010 and 11, the outlook for 2011-12 is clouded by stubborn and persistently high inflation, rising external. So this is talking about some kind of risk. Okay. In B sentence also, it is talking about macroeconomic concerns. So this word is also our clue. The paragraph is also talking, this B sentence is also talking about some kind of concern. Means there are some risk factor. Okay. C is talking about additionally. So this is the additional point. This can't be our first sentence. Okay. While the budget set a lower nominal gross domestic product GDP growth target of 14%, we believe that the real GDP growth target of 9% factored in the budget is on the optimistic side. These two phrases give you the two different aspects of the particular point. So this is talking about optimistic point, and here it is showing the lower nominal gross domestic product. Okay. And in E sentence, the sentence talks about that the budget has made an attempt to address all these issues. These issues means there must be some kind of issues that we need to talk about. Okay. So let us first identify the first sentence of the paragraph. Okay. So look at the sentence D, while, which means at the same time. Okay. So this also can't be our introductory sentence. Likewise, sentence E has words, this issues, which issues we don't have any idea. So this also can't be our first sentence or the first idea. Okay. Now important is to look for the first sentence. Okay. Now let us look at the sentence B. The three key macroeconomic concerns before the union budget 2011 and 12 were high inflation, high current account deficit and fiscal consolidation. So whatever the three concerns are or the three issues are given in sentence B. So obviously our first sentence will be B. Okay. Then try to look for its extension. So now it is clear that B is our introductory sentence. Now in sentence C, the word additionally shows that there must be something before sentence C, right? Because additionally means we are going to add something. Okay. So you can now easily interpret that the sentence C will definitely be after sentence B. Okay. There was an exception that the government would restart the reform process. Okay. So now if we look at the sequence, after B, the next sentence should be C. So here we are talking about some concerns. Okay. And additionally, there was an expectation that government would restart the reform process. Means whatever the concerns are there, those were to be addressed or those were expected to reformed by the government. Okay. Okay. Now look for the another extension. So if you look carefully, the sentence E is now talking about those issues which we had already discussed in sentence B. So after B and C, C was the additional point of B, okay, this follows this, okay, and the budget has made an attempt to address all these issues. So here was the point that would restart the reform process, okay. The budget has made an attempt to address all these, which issues that we had already discussed here. So after B and C, the other sentence, the next sentence should be E. Clear? Okay, so the next sentence is E. Now you need to look for the another extension. Okay. Now here we have the budget has made an attempt to address all these issues, albeit through small steps. So the government was trying to address all these issues by having some small steps, okay, for its reformation. And in sentence A, what is it talking about? Despite the strong performance of economy, so they tried to perform well or strongly, okay, but the outlook for 2011 and 12 is clouded by stubborn and persistently high inflation and rising external risk, okay. So this is the despite means there is some kind of contradiction. So here we were talking about the reformation and all, but now the sentence A is talking about the risk factor, or the we can say that the sentence talk about the negative aspect of the strong performance which was to be assumed in economy of 2010 and 11. So after E we can easily consider A, okay. And now we have sentence D. So the sentence D shows that shows the optimistic side due to considering those small steps. So our correct sequence should be B, C, E, A and T. Am I clear? So important is to look for the ideas. Sometimes paragraphs seem to be difficult, but by going by using clues, or by going one by one step, by going one step and then other step will help you to find the clue words, and that will ultimately help you in solving your paragraph, in arranging those random sentences, okay. Okay, now let's move to the next question. So here is the next question. So this passage here in passage 3, so here after reading, so let us first read the paragraph casually to find the idea. Environment Education Unit of Center for Science and Environment has always been working toward providing easy to understand reading material, okay. So here basically we are talking about this Environmental Education Unit, okay. So here we have this proper noun. Their new publication, whose new publication? So this is basically a pronoun. This can't be our first sentence. It unholds. This is also a pronoun. This also can't be our first sentence. And natural. This is and. So and usually used to connect two similar ideas. So this is basically a conjunction. This can't be our first sentence. However, is showing you the contradiction. So basically out of these 5, first sentence means sentence 1 is giving you the introduction, okay. So the first sentence is, first one is this one. So here we don't have one, here we have 1, 2, 3. So let's keep it 1. So first sentence should be 1, and then we need to look for it extension, okay. So the first sentence says that Environment Education Unit of Center for Science and Environment has always been working toward providing, means this unit is providing easy to understand reading material. That simply means it is related to some kind of publication, right? This we can easily infer, okay. Now their new publication, whose new publication? Now we have clear idea about it. So there is typically for this Environmental Education Unit of Center for Science and Environment. So basically after 1, the next sentence should be second, okay, 1, 2, and then the second sentence says that their new publication on this subject is an attempt to lend teachers a helping hand. So they are helping teachers, okay, by creating or by providing easy reading material, okay, fine. Now let's look at the next sentence. So if we look at the sentence 3 and 4, Try to look 3 and 4. It unfolds two sections, climate change and how to make sense of it all. So if we talk about, see, sentence 3 says it unfolds two sections. So what are the two sections? First is climate change and the second one is natural resources. As I have just mentioned, that conjunction and is usually used to connect two similar ideas. So here in sentence 3, it unfolds two sections. The first section is climate change and the second is natural resources. That definitely means 3 and 4 will come together. Okay, they consequently follow each other. Okay, so after 3 there must be 4. Okay, and the fifth sentence says, however, they are introduced to students not as a paragraph to memorize but as an activity to do. So if we look at the paragraph, we can easily interpret that after 2 we need 3, because it is for the idea which we have mentioned here in the environmental education unit. Okay, and after 3 we definitely need 4, and finally we have the last option 5. Am I clear? So basically E is concluding the paragraph. So the correct sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is typically in a correct sequence. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question. The post-election crisis in Kenya remain unresolved. Okay. So let us first read the paragraph. Okay. Read all the sentences carefully and then try to look for the idea. So see students, in each of the sentences, if you see here also we are talking about some kind of crisis. So here we are talking about some kind of damage. So here also thousands of livelihoods along with investments throughout the region are threatened and collapsing. So if we look at the paragraph, I mean the sentences, here also it is talking about murder, rapes, burning of property, etc. So if we look at the paragraph casually also, you will be able to find the idea that the paragraph is typically talking about or is mentioning some sort of crisis, damage or threat. Okay, so now importance to look for sentence which introduced it. So if we look at the first sentence, it says that the post-election crisis remain unresolved. Okay, so the post-election crisis in Kenya remains unresolved. Okay, which ultimately damaging the country's economy, as country's tourism and other industries are staggering, or you can say that they are losing balance in the country. So if we look at the sentences carefully, here we have introduced the crisis. So the very first sentence will be the first one. Okay, 1 is the first sentence. Now if we look at carefully, the second sentence should be the just look at carefully, the damage being done to the country's economy. Okay, the damage is due to this, the post-election crisis. That means after 1, the sentence 2 will be there. Okay, and the damage is severe. The damage is to the country's economy is severe because it is causing imbalance to tourism, horticulture and other industries. Okay, so after 1, the second sentence should be 2. Then we need the another extension. Now look at sentence D, means fourth sentence. Okay, thousands of livelihoods along with investments throughout the region are threatening, and means here we are talking about the damages. So in second sentence we are talking about damages. The same extension or the same concept is given in sentence 4. Thousands of livelihoods along with investments throughout the region are threatened and collapsing. So this fourth sentence is extending the second sentence. So after 2 we need 4. Okay, so after 1 there has to be 2 and then fourth sentence, because 2 and 4 is talking about the damage done to the country's economy. Fine. Okay, now look for the another sentence. So if you look at sentence E, now means fifth sentence. Okay, as the situation in Kenya escalated with murders, rapes, burning of property, looting and the displacement of thousands of people throughout the country, the international community was urged to help. So now, because of these situations, because of murders, rapes, and because of these all sort of damaging or threats, okay, these sorts of threats or damaging, because of these murders, rapes, and etc., looting, etc., now the international community was urged to help. So they are asking or they are urging to help. Okay, so here we are talking about that international community was urged to help, and due to this many other countries also responded towards it. Okay, so after 5 we need 3. Okay, so after 5 we need 3. So this is basically the sequence. Am I clear? So important is look for the words, important is to look for the words that give you the idea. So here in the passage we were talking about some sort of crisis, and that crisis or damage had done to country's economy in a severe manner. Okay, and then the international community has urged to help them. Okay, and in turn, or you can say in return, many countries also responded just to help or assist them or to provide them logistical support. So if we look at the sequence, the first sentence should be the introductory one. Okay, then 2 which talk about the damage, 4 also talk about the those threats and damages, 5th is talking about need, means help by the international community, and third sentence is talking about the response by the other countries. Okay, so the sequence should be 1 2 3 1 2 4 5 3. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next example. Thus, despite India's huge population, we have not done well in Olympic Games. Okay, during the British period also, cricket remained popular in India. Okay, cricket has been extremely popular game in India for its time. Okay, so if we look at the sentences, this is thus. So this can't be our first sentence. Here we have also. Okay, so this can't be our first sentence because this need an extension, means this need a sentence before it. Okay, we have here it, this can't be our first sentence. Here we have however, this also can't be our first sentence. So the only sentence which gives us the introduction is sentence 3. Okay, cricket has been an extremely popular game in India for quite some time now. Clear? So because the sentence 3 highlights the status of cricket in India. After this sentence, means after sentence 3, we need something that give an extension of this. So if you look at the sentence 2, during the British period also, cricket remained popular in India. This talks about now, means of the present time, and this talks about its popularity during British period. So first sentence should be 3 and then 2. They both follow each other. Okay, then important is to look for another extension. Now try to read the 5th sentence. However, due to this reason, which reason? Here we have this clue. Important is to look for this particular idea. Due to this reason. Which reason? What is the reason? Because it was popular during the British period. The other games and sports did not receive the required attention they deserve. Okay, so the reason is basically given in sentence 2. So we can easily conclude that after 2 there should be sentence 5. Okay, am I clear? Okay, now look for the another extension. Thus, despite India's huge population, we have not done well in Olympic Games. So due to this reason, here we have mentioned that other games and sport did not receive the required attention, and because they have not received the required attention, we have not, or we are not doing well in Olympic Games. So obviously after 3 to 5, the other sentence should be, the next sentence should be 1, and finally we are left with 4, and 4th is giving you the remedy. It is time our government and corporate fraternity paid due attention to other games and sports, and we redeem our national pride in Olympic Games. So So this is simple or very easy if you are able to find the idea or the clue word given in the paragraph. But important is to look for those clues and ideas. Try to read as many editorials or newspapers or journals, because reading will give you the means clarity, or will give you the comprehension ability. It will develop your comprehension ability, and once it get developed, it will become easier to understand the paragraph and then to solve it sequentially. Okay, so student, this is all for today. If the video was worthful to you, do share it with your friends. Don't forget to like it, and please subscribe our channel for our regular videos and updates. Thank you.